Hello children, we are discussing the assignment related to the topic classification of elements of 7th date. Next, regarding this question number 1. Question number 1. State the Newland's law of octaves. Newland's law of octaves. Newland's law of octaves. Octa means 8, which is Greek numerical. So, Newland's law of octaves means he arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic weights. So, he arranged the elements, all the known elements. At the time of E, only 56 elements are known. So, he arranged that all known elements in the increasing order of, ascending order of their atomic weights, and said that and considered that in such a way that every eighth element, every successive eighth element, every successive eighth element of previous one, is similar in properties with, is similar in properties. So this is the statement of Newland law of octaves. Every eighth element shows a resemblance with the previous one. Next, question number 2. So, a teacher asked the student to write an example of Doverny law of triads, but the student written as given an example. Student given an example for Doverny triad, that is lithium, sodium, magnesium. Student given this example. Is this example correct or not? We have to check. So this example is incorrect. So why? Because lithium, sodium are, as we know now itself, according to modern periodic table, lithium, sodium belongs to first A group having similar properties, whereas magnesium is not shows similars with lithium, sodium. So the correct example of this one is lithium, sodium, potassium are considered as the three main elements in the first triad, Doverny triad. Next, question number 3. Third question is state Doverny law of triad. Doverny law of triads with two examples. As 2 marks question. So what is first we have to write the statement. So what is the statement? He considered 3 elements as a group. He considered the 3 elements as a group. 3 elements as a group. That as a group means, according to the modern periodic table, they are said to be having similar properties. As a group, and in the increasing order of atomic weight, in such a way that have to satisfy the following formula, in such a way that the atomic weight of the middle one, the atomic weight of the middle element is average of, arithmetic mean of, average of first third element. Average of first and third element. This is the statement. So in the, then the three elements as we called as triads. So if you go through examples means example if you have taken means lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium, sodium, potassium is one example. So the sodium atomic weight is atomic weight of sodium. Lithium you have taken means 7. Sodium is 23, potassium is 39. Once check the application, the formula. So atomic weight of lithium, sodium atomic weight should be equals to the average of lithium and potassium. So sodium atomic weight is 23. If you check once means 7 plus 39. 7 plus 39 by 2, 46 by 2. That LHS equals to RHS. If you have taken one more example means chlorino, bromino, iodine you can take. Chlorine atomic weight is 35.5. Bromine atomic weight is approximately 80, 81. Iodine is 127. If you have check the average, same formula if you have checked means the average of chlorine, atomic weight of chlorine and iodine is equals to the bromine. So that formula is satisfied. These three elements are called Dobrny triads, are said to be having similar properties, are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weights. Next, fourth question. Why Newlands proposed law of octaves? Why he proposed the law of octaves? At the time of Newlands, the purpose of Newlands for the proposition of law of Newlands law of octaves. Newlands law of octaves. At the time of that is 1866, all the known elements, the number of known elements, 56 elements only known. 56 elements only known. All the number of known elements is 56. So he arranged all these 56 elements in the increasing order of atomic weights as a table. He arranged all the known elements in horizontal rows. He arranged in horizontal rows, and he assumed that every eighth element is resembles with preceding first element. First one resembles with the first one. So next, as in the same way that 56th element is, this table is fit to 56 elements. That 56th element is thorium. 56th element is thorium. So in such a way he tried to arrange it as a table in horizontal rows only. So to arrange all these 56 elements, this law should be he proposed. Next, fifth question related to this is, fifth question of what are the limitations of Newlands law? Limitations of Newlands. Limitations while arranging in horizontal rows. No doubt from lithium onwards you have to check if the table starts with, first limitation is the least atomic weight element is hydrogen. Least atomic weight element is hydrogen. So if you start the table with hydrogen shows resemblance with halogen elements like fluorino, chlorino, bromino, iodine. So but not with lithium, sodium, potassium. Whereas that is one of the limitation. If you try to start with the least atomic weight hydrogen, it shows a resemblance with, from hydrogen onwards, eighth element is fluorine is coming. So the question mark about the position of hydrogen he cannot explain. That is the first drawback. Next drawback is while arranging the elements, cobalt, nickel are fit for same box, are kept in same box. are kept in same box. So why even though those are two different atoms, they may have several different properties, but they fit in same box. Why, he cannot explain. Next, while arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic weights, lithium, sodium, potassium, no doubt from lithium onwards, eighth element is sodium, shows resemblance with lithium. From sodium onwards, eighth element is potassium, shows resemblance with sodium. So lithium, sodium, potassium are said to be exhibiting similar properties, are no doubt belongs to same group. But while arranging the elements in this order, these elements also resembles with the elements like nowadays we are calling as D block elements: platinum, palladium, iridium. So these elements shows resemblance are kept in same horizontal row. So they are not showing any resemblance with that elements. So he cannot explain this also. He cannot explain this. And there is no exactly this box is fitted for this Newland's table. Newland's table is fit for only 56 elements. Is fit for only all the known 56 elements. So if any newly discovered element is not fit for this table, table. And exactly, if you check, means he followed the exactly music notes, music law, like sari gama pada nisa, music notes he followed. He taken the help of music notes. That music notes exactly applicable up to that music notes of octaves. That music notes of octaves are fit for only 20 elements only, means up to, or fit only up to calcium, fit up to only calcium. After calcium, that music notes of octaves is not applicable. That means eighth element is not showing any resemblance with first element. That resemblance is fixed up to calcium only. After calcium, that rule is not applicable. So this is about the Newland law of octaves and its limitations. Next, that's all for this assignment. Thank you.